Welcome to our urban farming adventure. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of dill. This aromatic herb isn't just a culinary delight. It's a marvel of nature, perfect for your indoor garden. Let's explore its anatomy and see why it's a favorite among urban farmers. Let's start from the ground up. Dill has a taproot system, anchoring the plant and absorbing nutrients. It's not too deep, making it ideal for container gardening. See those fine lateral roots? They spread out, providing extra support and nutrient absorption. This efficient root system is why dill thrives in compact urban spaces. Moving up, we have the stem. It's hollow, rigid, and can grow up to 60 centimeters tall. Notice how it branches out towards the top. The dill stem is a marvel of nature's engineering. Its hollow structure provides strength while minimizing weight, allowing the plant to grow tall without heavy supports. The ridges along the stem add structural integrity, much like the corrugation in cardboard. As the dill plant matures, it develops an elegant branching pattern. This open structure serves two crucial purposes. It allows each leaf to receive the optimal sunlight, and it provides space for the eventual development of flower umbels. This branching creates an open, delicate structure that's both beautiful and functional. It allows the plant to maximize sunlight exposure in your indoor setup. Now, let's look at the leaves of the dill plant. They're finely divided into thread-like segments, giving dill its signature feathery appearance. At the microscopic level, dill leaves are a testament to nature's efficiency. The thread-like segments maximize surface area, allowing for enhanced photosynthesis and rapid exchange of gases. This design is particularly advantageous in indoor environments where light might be limited. The alternating arrangement of leaves along the stem ensures that each leaf has access to sunlight. The feathery structure allows light to penetrate to lower leaves, making the most of available light in your indoor garden. This fern-like foliage isn't just beautiful, it's packed with aromatic compounds that give dill its distinctive flavor and aroma. As your dill matures, you'll see these beautiful yellow flowers forming in clusters called umbels. The dill flower structure, known as an umbel, is a characteristic feature of the Apiaceae family. Imagine an upside-down umbrella. That's the basic shape of an umbel. Each tiny flower in the cluster plays a role in reproduction and eventual seed production. These flowers aren't just pretty, they're essential for pollination and seed production. Plus, they attract beneficial insects, which is great if you're growing dill outdoors or in a greenhouse setting. After flowering comes the fruit, or what we commonly call dill seeds. Dill seeds are a type of fruit called a schizocarp. Each fruit splits into two one-seeded segments called mericarps. The ridged pattern on the seed's surface isn't just for show. It helps with seed dispersal and protects the embryo within. When conditions are right, the dill seed begins its journey to becoming a new plant. Water is absorbed, the seed coat splits, and a tiny root emerges, followed by the first leaves. This process, from seed to sprout, can take just a few days in optimal conditions. Dill seeds are aromatic and widely used in cooking. In your urban garden, you can harvest them for culinary use or let them self-seed for a new crop next season. Dill is an annual herb, completing its life cycle in one growing season. But don't worry, with the right conditions, it can self-seed, giving you a continuous supply. The life cycle of dill is a perfect example of nature's efficiency. From seed to mature plant, flowering, and then back to seed, the entire process typically takes just a few months. In favorable conditions, fallen seeds can germinate, starting the cycle anew without human intervention. The distinctive aroma of dill comes from its essential oils. The primary compounds, carvone, limonene, and anethofurin, are produced in specialized cells throughout the plant. These molecules not only give dill its unique flavor, but also serve to attract pollinators and deter pests in nature. What makes dill truly special are these essential oils. They give dill its unique aroma and flavor. These oils also have antimicrobial and digestive properties, making dill not just tasty, but healthy too. And there you have it, urban farmers. We've journeyed through the entire life cycle of dill, from its fascinating anatomy to the nuances of hydroponic cultivation, from harvesting techniques to storage methods, and even the crucial aspects of maintaining a clean growing environment. Remember, growing dill is more than just adding flavor to your meals. It's about connecting with nature, even in the heart of the city. It's about understanding the intricate dance of nutrients, light, and care that brings these aromatic wonders to life. And most importantly, it's about the joy of nurturing something from seed to harvest, right in your own home. We hope this series has inspired you to start your own dill growing adventure. Whether you're setting up a hydroponic system, drying your harvest for long-term storage, or simply appreciating the health benefits of this versatile herb, you're now equipped with the knowledge to succeed. Remember, every expert gardener started as a beginner, so don't be afraid to experiment and learn as you grow. Thank you for joining us on this aromatic journey. Happy farming, and we'll see you next time. Welcome back to our urban farming series. Today, we're exploring the hidden treasure in your herb garden, dill. This aromatic herb isn't just a flavor enhancer, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Let's dive into the health benefits of this versatile plant. Dill is packed with essential vitamins. Let's break them down. At the cellular level, dill is a vitamin treasure trove. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, is abundant in these leaf cells. It supports your immune system and promotes healthy skin. The orange molecules you see represent beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A, crucial for vision and skin health. Dill is also rich in folate, or vitamin B9. Watch as these folate molecules assist in DNA synthesis and repair, a process vital for everyone, especially pregnant women, supporting fetal development. And let's not forget vitamin K. This little herb is an excellent source of this vitamin, essential for blood clotting and bone health. Dill isn't just about vitamins. It's also a great source of essential minerals. As the dill plant grows, it absorbs vital minerals from the soil. Calcium and magnesium strengthen the plant's structure, mirroring their role in our bones. Iron, crucial for the plant's chlorophyll, is essentially important for our body's hemoglobin. In our bodies, these minerals play diverse roles. Calcium and magnesium contribute to bone health and muscle function. Manganese aids in reducing inflammation. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and fluid balance. By adding dill to your meals, you're seasoning with a spectrum of essential minerals. Dill offers more than just vitamins and minerals. Let's take a closer look at its fiber content and powerful antioxidants. The dietary fiber in dill, though small in quantity, contributes to digestive health. As we see here, these fiber molecules help move food through your digestive tract, promoting regularity and potentially lowering cholesterol levels. Dill is rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids like quercetin and camphorol, and terpenoids such as carvone and limonene. These molecules act as cellular bodyguards, protecting your cells from oxidative stress and reducing inflammation. These compounds not only contribute to dill's health benefits, but also give it its distinctive aroma and flavor. Now that we understand dill's nutritional profile, let's explore its impressive health benefits. Dill has been traditionally used to aid digestion. Its essential oils, particularly carvone, act as carminatives, reducing gases and bloating in the digestive tract. The fiber content further supports digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements. The combination of calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K in dill support bone health. Vitamin K is crucial for synthesizing osteocalcins, a protein vital for bone mineralization. Dill's high vitamin C content boosts the immune system by stimulating white blood cell production. These cells are your body's defense force against infections. But that's not all. Research suggests that dill may also help regulate blood sugar levels and possesses antimicrobial properties. Dill contributes to heart health too. Its potassium content helps regulate blood pressure, while its antioxidants reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, key factors in cardiovascular health. As we've discovered, dill is much more than a garnish. It's a nutritional powerhouse that can contribute significantly to your health. By incorporating dill into your meals, you're not just adding flavor, but also boosting your intake of essential vitamins and minerals, and many beneficial compounds. Whether you're growing dill in your urban garden or picking it up at the local farmer's market, remember, you're choosing an herb that's as delicious as it is nutritious. So go ahead, sprinkle some health into your next meal. Until next time, happy and healthy eating. Welcome back, urban farmers. Our dill has been growing beautifully for about 8 weeks now, and it's time to talk about harvesting. Let's dive into the tools and techniques that will help you get the most out of your hydroponic dill. When harvesting, it's important to use the right tools and follow safety protocols. Always use clean, sharp scissors or a knife to make precise cuts. Wear cut gloves to protect your hands and store your tools in a sheath or a safe place when not in use. The best tool for harvesting dill is a sharp pair of pruning shears or scissors, like these. The sharpness is crucial. It ensures a clean cut, which is healthier for the plant and helps it recover quickly. Now, let's talk about the harvesting technique. We're going to use what's called the cut and come again method. With this method, we focused on harvesting the outer leaves first. This allows the plant to continue growing and producing, giving us multiple harvests from the same plant. In a well-maintained system like ours, you can expect to harvest dill 3 to 5 times before the plant's productivity starts to decline. Now, let's talk about timing and frequency. You can start harvesting dill about 6 to 8 weeks after planting, once the plants reach a height of 8 to 12 inches. In our controlled hydroponic environment, we can grow dill year-round. Each plant typically has a life cycle of 8 to 12 weeks, from seeding to final harvest. After harvesting, it's crucial to maintain ideal conditions to encourage regrowth. Keep your lights on for 12 to 16 hours a day and ensure they cover all parts of the plant evenly. Remember to keep temperatures between 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit and humidity around 50% to 60%. This will help your dill recover quickly and provide quality harvests throughout its life cycle. And there you have it. With these techniques, you'll be enjoying fresh, homegrown dill for weeks to come. Next time, we'll explore some delicious recipes to make the most of your harvest. From salads to salmon, the possibilities are endless with your homegrown dill. Until then, happy growing! Welcome back, urban farmers. Now that we've harvested our beautiful dill, let's talk about the best ways to store it. Whether you want to use it fresh or preserve it for later, I've got you covered. First, let's prep our dill for short-term storage. Give it a gentle rinse under cool water to remove any debris. Pat it dry with a paper towel because we want to remove any excess moisture to prevent wilting and mold. Now, we have 2 great options for storing fresh dill in the fridge. Option 1, place the dill in a loosely sealed plastic bag. Pop it in your fridge's crisper drawer, and it'll stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. Option 2, treat your dill like a bouquet. Place the stems in a jar with about an inch of water. Cover it loosely with a plastic bag and then secure it with a rubber band and refrigerate. Both methods can keep your dill fresh for up to 2 weeks. Just remember to check regularly and remove any wilted parts. Now let's talk about drying dill for long-term storage. We have 3 methods: air drying, oven drying, and for those of you who love kitchen gadgets, air fryer drying. For air drying, tie your dill into small bunches. Hang these bunches upside down in a warm, dry area with good airflow. In about 1 to 2 weeks, your dill will be perfectly dried. For oven drying, preheat your oven to its lowest setting, usually around 100 degrees to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread your dill in a single layer on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Pop it in the oven with the door slightly ajar for 2 to 4 hours. Check every 30 minutes until the leaves crumble easily. That's how you know it's done. Store your dried dill in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. It'll keep for up to 6 months, but it's best to use within 3 months for optimal flavor. But wait, there's more. If you have an air fryer, you're in for a treat. It's a quick and efficient way to dry your dill. First, preheat your air fryer to its lowest setting, usually around 100 degrees to 115 degrees Fahrenheit or 38 degrees to 46 degrees Celsius. Spread your dill in a single layer in the air fryer basket. Make sure not to overcrowd it. We want that air to circulate. The beauty of the air fryer is its efficiency in air circulation, which speeds up the drying process significantly. Set your air fryer to about 30 minutes. But here's the key. Check your dill every 5 to 10 minutes. You'll notice the dill leaves starting to curl and become brittle. That's what we're looking for. Depending on the amount of dill and your specific air fryer, the whole process should take between 20 to 40 minutes, much quicker than oven drying. Your dill is ready when it crumbles easily between your fingers. If it's not quite there, just pop it back in for a few more minutes. Once cooled, store your air fryer dried dill, just like any other dried herb, in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. Whether you choose air drying, oven drying, or air fryer drying, each method has its advantages. Air drying is great for large batches. Oven drying offers precise temperature control. And air fryer is perfect when you need dried dill in a hurry. Remember, no matter which method you choose, properly dried dill can last up to 6 months. But for the best flavor, try to use it within 3 months. Now, let's move on to freezing methods. Freezing is another great option for long-term storage. Let me show you 2 methods. For flash freezing, spread your dill in a single layer on a baking sheet and freeze for 1 to 2 hours. Once frozen, transfer to a freezer bag, squeeze out the air, and label with the date. This will keep for up to 6 months. For our second method, we'll use ice cube trays. Chop your dill and pack it into the trays. Fill each compartment with water or olive oil, then freeze. Once solid, pop them out and store in a freezer bag. These cubes are perfect for adding directly to soups, stews, or sauces. Lastly, let's talk about preserving dill in vinegar or oil. For vinegar preservation, simply submerge fresh dill in white or apple cider vinegar. Seal and then refrigerate. These preserved dills are fantastic for flavoring pickles, dressings, or marinades. And there you have it. With these storage methods, you'll be enjoying your homegrown dill long after harvest. Remember, different methods suit different needs. So experiment and find what works best for you. Happy storing, urban farmers!